In front of me is Motorola Razr 2025, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Now use this plus at the bottom left corner, hit Files to add an audio one, and choose those three lines at the top left corner to pick one of those sources. You can also select one of those apps, or hit Audio at the top and find your file over here. Either way, after you locate it, you need to tap on it to attach it and wait. Sorry, misclick. If you want to add a video one, hit Gallery section instead. Click on your video right away, or if you can't find it, select Photos, look for it here and tap on it to add it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!